A few years ago, I made a New Year resolution that I'm finally going to start reading books. And if you have said the same thing to yourself now, you need to watch this video as it will be super helpful to you. Because today I'm making a reader's starter pack where I'll recommend one book from every genre you should try out before diving deep into that genre. Because I genuinely believe that not everyone can read all the genres out there. You have to test the water first and see which one fits your reading style before picking a deep and heavy book in that genre. A quick introduction before we begin. I am Saqib, the author of Heartbreaks, The Weight of One Goodbye. I post bookish content, writing tips, and my journey as an author on Instagram and YouTube. So click on that subscribe button if that interests you. Okay, first genre, thriller/mystery. This is the genre I recommend to everyone to start with because these books tend to be fast-paced, entertaining, and they get over very quickly, which is perfect for beginner readers. My recommendation, And Then There Were None by Agatha Christie. An absolute favorite for every reader out there. It's gripping, clever, short story, and a brilliant classic. A perfect introduction to the thriller genre. Now coming to romance. Control, Saqib, control. Don't recommend your own book. Okay, jokes apart. If you want to read a good Indian romance book, I will highly recommend you to read Every Time It Rains by Nikita Singh. But if you prefer Western romance, go with the Better Than the Movies. Both are easy to read, warm, and perfect for beginners. Okay, for non-fiction, I have two subcategories. For the first category, if you are someone with a business mindset, then I will highly recommend you to read The Almanac of Neville Ravikant. A brilliant book of a brilliant mind. It will give you a totally different perspective of wealth, success, happiness, and the great concept of leverage. Next is personal development, and for that, the best book would be The Atomic Habits, the most beginner friendly and effective and highly influential book. Now the next genre is historical fiction, and this one is my absolute favorite. In this category, I would suggest you to read The Stationery Shop of Tehran. It's not as devastating as Thousand Splendid Suns or As Long as the Lemon Tree Grows, but it explores love in a very deep level and also talks about the events of the past in Tehran. A brilliant entry into this genre. Next is science fiction. For this one, I would recommend Dark Matter by Blake Crouch. It's not overly technical, but it's intriguing enough to show you how mind-boggling and exciting this genre can be. Okay, with full honesty, I will tell you about these two genres which I haven't explored myself, but these are very popular among readers. First is Dark Academia, and in this I would recommend you The Secret History by Donna Tartt, or if horror interests you, then anything by Stephen King. Hope you find this helpful, and I hope 2026 brings you the good side of humanity, that is the reading community. So tell me in the comments below, which genre would you start reading this year? See you in the next video.